Hello everyone. In this video, we'll look at the navigation bar in OneSearch, which gives you quick shortcuts to library resources. First, to navigate to the OneSearch homepage, you're going to want to start from the Bakersfield College homepage. Click the magnifying glass in the top right corner, type library, click the first result, and here you're at the library's main page. Now you can either scroll about halfway down or click the Research tab, and then click Find Books and More with OneSearch. Now before proceeding, you're going to want to make sure that you sign in so that you can fully access all of the library's materials and resources. At the top of the OneSearch page, you'll see the navigation bar. These links save you time by taking you directly to different features. New Search clears your results and lets you start fresh. Find Journals lets you search for specific journal titles or ISSN number instead of looking through articles one by one. So here you can look by title, just type here, or choose from a selection on the left-hand side. Browse helps you explore materials by title, author, or subject. As you can see the choices here, or even Library of Congress call numbers, should you happen to know those offhand. The library collection map shows where collections are physically located in the Panorama Library. And the New Books button lets you see the latest titles added to the BC Library. And you can browse these to see if anything interests you that you would like to check out. And that's the OneSearch navigation bar. Use these shortcuts when you want to go directly to journals, browse, or just see what's new at the library. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me or any other friendly BC librarian. We're here to help.